Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, in the past few days, Nkosazana daughter was trending because Meg G from the podcast and chill with Meg G posted and said that Nkosazana daughter, her baby daddy is not Cetriel, but the baby daddy is Master KG, So Nkosazana daughter was live on Instagram addressing these rumors. Nope, Master KG is not her baby daddy, but she also didn't confirm Cetriel is the baby daddy, and she also didn't confirm that she does indeed have a child. But yeah, people were saying that no, they saw her pregnant and all of that. So I really don't know at this point, guys. I don't know ukuthi vele ikhona yini leyo ngane or ayikho, or ikhona she's just keeping things private, because vele it's none of our business. But I guess on Facebook people are still insisting ukuthi Nkosazana daughter is dating Master KG even after she released a statement to put the rumors to rest. So she posted this video where she was dancing to her song with Master KG titled Daliwami. Now obviously I had to mute the sound because of on YouTube you can't be putting other people's songs, but she was just happy dancing to this new song, and people in the comment section were just roasting her. Others were roasting her about the outfit, others were roasting her about the weight, saying that she is just gaining so much weight, she looks like a whale. People can talk. And then others were also saying that Master KG is just to go as far as saying I don't blame him for impregnating her. So I don't know. Shukuthi they still think ukuthi Master KG is the baby daddy here. They are saying Master KG is highly blessed. Some were even saying that Master KG is the one who was taking this video. And imagine, guys, if she is in a relationship with another person, when that person keeps saying these things, relationship people are asking where is Master KG. They're asking in the wrong place. Why are they asking Nkosazana daughter? Why are they even asking under her post where is Master KG? It's a lot, Shem. It's a lot. One thing about being in the spotlight, you have to be strong because wow, ziyabu ya Shem.